Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Tech Chronicle with Swastik. In this channel, I will going to give you the latest updates regarding computer science and about the upcoming courses in my channel. Today, I will going to continue operating system full course from where I had left. For today's lecture 14, here we will going to know about what is disk scheduling and important terminologies. In this lecture, you will going to learn about disk scheduling algorithm, importance of disk scheduling, and the disk scheduling algorithm important terminologies. Today, I am going to continue operating system from where I had. Today, I am going to continue from a new topic that is known as disk scheduling algorithm. What is this scheduling algorithm? It is done by operating system to schedule input-output requests arriving for the disk. This scheduling is also known as CPU scheduling. Now coming to the disk scheduling importance. Multiple input-output requests may arrive by different processes and only one input-output request can be served at a time by the disk controller. Thus, other input-output requests need to wait in the waiting queue and need to be scheduled. Hard drives are one of the slowest parts of the computer system and thus need to be accessed in an efficient manner. Now coming to the disk scheduling algorithm, some of the important stuff. Coming to the first one, seek time. Seek time is the time taken for a hard disk controller to locate a specific piece of stored data. Seek time can vary upon where the head is present when the read-write request is sent. When anything is read or written to a disk write, the read-write head of the disk moves to the right position. Now coming to the second one, that is rotational latency. Rotational latency is the time taken by the desired sector of the disk to rotate into a position so that it can access the read-write heads. The disk scheduling algorithm that gives minimal rotational latency is better. Now coming to the third one, that is known as transfer time. It is the time to transfer the data. It depends on the rotating speed of the disk and the number of bytes to be transferred. Now coming to the fourth one, that is disk access time. Disk access time can be calculated by the formula seek time plus rotational latency plus transfer time. Now coming to the last one, that is known as disk response time. Response time is the average of time spent by the request waiting to perform its input-output operation. Average response time is the response time of all the requests. This scheduling algorithm that gives minimum variance response is better. Thank you. That's all for this lecture. If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.